Hey all, it's again Akash here and welcome to a brand new video here on the channel. While you guys are staying home and staying safe, I got 5 tiny but awesome games for you. So without any further talkings, let's get started. Well, getting started with our first game named Hellrider 3, it's basically a 3D racing game where you will be thrown into a polygonal world with a bike and you can control your bike tapping left or right on your screen. Well, while riding the bike you will see a few little effects that look really amazing while playing the game. Well, you have to keep going, avoiding cars and all to win the game. And not only that, the interface is truly smooth and simple, and including with that you will see no ads here. Plus there are a lots of updates and many characters to use. Plus it is a new game, so try this out. Moving on, we have Undertale 88. It is not only a horror game but also one of my favorite games I have played these days. Inside the game you will be thrown into some horrible places somewhere in the Undertale Ice. As you can see, the gameplay is truly amazing even though the game size is 120 MB only. Well, here you have to explore the place, find and collect objects that you can use in variable places. Along with that, you have to solve puzzles to get to know what's going on here. The storyline is truly amazing, and there you will see various types of weapons and monsters here. The details are very clear here, and the background music seems very creepy to give you a true horror experience. If you are looking for some horror games, then go for it. And in case you stuck somewhere, you can use the question mark to see an online video that will provide you the original hint. Again, it's a free game and the download links of these games are there in the description below. And if you like any of these games, please hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to support us. Next we have Frag Shooter Pro, and it is a shooting game where you have to fight with your enemies of opposite team with guns and all, and you will be provided 5 characters and each of the characters has their own powers and specifications. Plus you will be able to play the game with third person or first person, whatever you like. And even though the game size is around 100 MB, the gameplay is truly impressive. What's more, well, there are no ads and the download links of each of the apps are there in the description below. And one more thing about the game, that you will be able to switch between your characters as soon as you die. Again, it was really fun playing the game, so yeah, surely check this out. Okay, moving on, we have Ace Fighter, a 3D sky dogfight game. Here you will be given a fully armed aircraft that you have to use to destroy your enemy aircrafts. Plus there are more than 20 aircrafts that you have to unlock playing the game. Including with that, there are 50 missiles and anti-missiles to use. The graphics and all are really impressive as compared to the other large games. And the most important thing, the game provides a full 360-degree environment. Including with that, the game is truly ad-free. So yeah, check this out. Okay, last but not the least, we have Beat Racer. Now this game is gonna be one of your favorite games if you love listening music while playing games. Well, this game will provide you different types of musics on every level, and every single thing you see on the game environment will happen according as the songs beat. Well, you have to jump over different types of objects and toggle enemies in order to win the game. And in order to unlock all the musics, you can swipe left or right to move, and swipe upwards to jump over objects, and you can swipe downwards to attack on your enemy. The user interface is super smooth and simple, plus there are no ads on the game. Plus there are a number of songs you can unlock or choose from, and including with that there are a number of cars too that you can choose. Well, that's all for now. Comment the game you liked the most. We will catch you on the next video. Until then, goodbye.